Hi, my name is Chris Slaughter from Scenic Blue Design. We're a lead landscape design architectural firm. When we first come to your home, it's a very informal chat, looking at the garden, talking to you guys, seeing what you like, seeing what you don't like, having a look at what you want, and looking at how the wants will fit into the garden itself. And if the stars are aligned, we will be designing there and then, and we'll be throwing ideas at you to get a reaction. And whilst talking about the point of reaction, it's important to challenge all the elements, challenge the wants, challenge the don't wants. A lot of people tend to think if there's a bad view from a neighbouring window or whatever it might be, they'll block that out. And actually what you inadvertently do is you create a negative within your own design. So it's just finding ways of prettying up the window, not prettying it up, but just softening it out. Okay, when we come to your home, we will be speaking to you, we'll be challenging you about the aspects of the garden. We want to know, and it might sound silly, what pets you've got. We want to know what colours you like or dislike, what plants you like or dislike, what allergies you may have. And I have several clients and we work with them and they do have allergies. So that creates a piece of that jigsaw. We've got to be mindful of the plant stock we're bringing in. On the subject of jigsaw, that's how we think of your list. It's you giving us a box of pieces and it's our job to fit them together. There's nothing worse than trying to create a jigsaw where the bits are all from different boxes. It's not going to happen. So it's finding ways. And then when I spoke to you about challenging, if you do find a piece that doesn't fit that picture, we'll challenge it. It's not to say we won't do it, but we'll allow you to understand why we're challenging it, to get you involved. Now, one of the toughest things to do is to transform our thoughts, which are up here, to your mind. And we've developed a system of initial sketch detailing. The sketch detailing is done to scale from the beginning. And the reason for scale is simply put, knowing it fits and knowing what the monetary side of things are going to be later on down the road. We'll then create a conceptual design for you, and it's a high grade computer generated drawing to scale. Now this is all in 2D. We can see it in 3D in our own mind's eye, but to allow you to get into here, there isn't a port up here, so we will then develop 3D imagery. And it's really just a way of allowing you to go, I get it now. And I think it's most important, at that point, you've got to get it, you've got to understand your design, there and then. Don't be taken down the road of thinking you understand it, because once it starts into build, it is what it is. So when you come to thinking about your home, what do you want to do in your garden? How do you want your garden to reflect with the home? How much money do you think you want to spend? Not a nice subject, but we'll deal with that one. What is your program of works? And how long are you going to be staying at that home? Because it's a lovely thought to be able to spend a lot of money, but it's also important to know that whatever the money is you spend, you're going to get that back in asset value, in-house sale. I hope that helps you a little bit, and please check the rest of the videos.